Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is staying warm. I know here in central North Carolina this morning it was 17, 18 degrees I think, and we do see that, just not that often, but I know it's nothing compared to what some of you are experiencing, so everybody stay warm. I'm sitting here drinking a cup of green tea and honey in my vintage Hardee's Rise and Shine homemade biscuits cup. I bought this at a thrift about a month ago, and fun fact, I used to work for Hardee's. That was my first job back in the 1980s, I think 85, 86, and it just brought back memories, so I had to get it. I think this came from either 1984 or 86, and Rise and Shine homemade biscuits. And yes, they used to make their biscuits fresh. I don't know if they still do, but they used to. Another fun fact, I think I made like $3.75 an hour, or was it $4.25 an hour? I can't remember, somewhere around that. Times have changed. Okay, let's get straight into this. Enough rambling. So today we have a thredUP fun box, and this box came, I think it's Pennsylvania. Yep, this box came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. And most of mine usually come from Swanee, Georgia, so. And I can't remember where the other thredUP boxes came from, the fun box. I'll have to look back and see. But let's get right into this. Now this box was $34, and I had to eat the shipping on this one because for some reason my credits rewards didn't work on this box, and I don't know, sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. I don't quite understand that. If anybody can explain that to me, please let me know. Okay, before I take the paper off, I'm going to let you guys get the first look. Let's see, and I'm not going to look, and I'm going to remove the paper and let you guys see it before I do. And also, I'm sorry if you hear my fireplace in the background. You might hear it crackling. Hey, you guys see that? Is it a good one? Let's see. Okay. So, first we have matandnet.com. Matt and Not. Oh, there it is. Matt and Net. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a little crossbody phone case. Matt and Net. But anyway, like I said, it was $34 for this box, plus I had to pay shipping and taxes, which taxes are right off. But I hope it's a good box, but I don't really order these to make money. These are just really fun, and some of the stuff, you know, you can use for free gifts, etc., like I've said before, but they're just really fun. And if you get lucky, sometimes you do get one or two things that will pay for the box and even make a profit off of it. So it's kind of hit and miss. But they are addictive. They are so much fun. Okay, that's one. And we have a piece of jewelry. You guys see that? Bag. This is definitely not real by no means. It's costume jewelry. You guys see? It's really long. Oh, you know what, guys? I think that's a belt. I think it's a belt, most definitely. Because, I mean, if it was a necklace, good God. Look at that. Yeah, that's definitely a belt. So that's kind of cool. I don't see any markings on it. Okay, let's put that back. Okay, we have another plastic bag, Ziploc. There's something inside. I think we have another belt, and this is, look at there. That's adorable. I like that. And it snaps. It's elastic. And it snaps. Can't get the other one snapped. but cute. Okay, let's go ahead and get this hat out of the way. And this hat has been, so we have to reshape it. It's a camouflage straw hat with the camouflage band and a leather. Also has a piece of leather around the band. Let's see what name it is. Oh, Saks Fifth Avenue. And I think that's vintage. Not positive, but I think that might be vintage. Okay. And it says Importina around the band. Okay, I'm liking this box so far. That's nice. Let's see. I'm not really a hat person, but I don't think so. Not for me. So I might have to list that. It's a little bit, you can see where it's coming away right there, but I can fix that. That is really cool. I like that, and great for summertime coming up, right? Another thing I see I like is new with tags, and it's shapewear. Spanx shapewear. Let's see if y'all can see that. There we go. And this has a retail value of $52. So there you go. I think I would definitely get my money back on this box. Of course, I will not list it for that much. I won't get the $52, but okay. Happy so far. Okay, and then we have, oh, DB. Is that Dooney and Burke? Just looks like a license holder, ID holder. I don't know if that's definitely Dooney and Burke or not. It says on the inside made. Let's see what it says. Not sure. Can't really. Yep, made in China. But I'll have to research that. But it's just an ID case. Probably won't bring much. Okay. Falk. Cotton protection. These look like tights. Let's see. Size medium black. They retailed for $25. F-A-L-K-E. I think I've ever heard of that before. Okay. I see another crossbody. Of course, I don't have my reading glasses on. It's a brown, chocolate brown. Guys, what is? I can't. Hold on, I'm gonna get my glasses real quick. Okay, sorry about that, guys. It's Bull Captain. So chocolate crossbody, chocolate brown crossbody. And it's got pocket here. Outside pocket there. And then inside pockets with a little zip. I don't think these retail. I have heard of that name before. I think I've seen it on Amazon before. It feels really good and it's in really good shape. So we'll do some research and see. It does smell like real leather, but I've been fooled before. So we will see. But I like it. Okay. My hair's really bothering me this morning. Okay. Victoria's Secret bag. Wow, that's big. Let's get back so y'all can see that. It is pink and black. And it says, I love Victoria's Secret. And that, oh, that's just lint. This has some lint on it. It's a really big bag. Oh, and it is a zippered bag. Zips, zipper works. And it looks very clean. I like to turn mine inside out. You can, that way you can get a really good look at it. Very clean on the inside. So, I'm happy with that. And some of these, depending on the year, the style, can go really good. So, I'll definitely have to research that. I hope you guys can get a good look at that. Okay, and then the last item is another pocketbook. Let's see, interesting. There we go, it's a gray pocketbook. A gold handle with a false leather. And let's see what name it is. Probably no name, I'm guessing. So far, I don't see a name, but it looks very clean on the inside. This really doesn't feel like anything substantial. It feels really cheap. But I will Google Lens that and see what they come up with. Some things that I thought were really cheap, then after I do like a Google Lens, I get surprised. And I'm like, people pay that much for that? Are you kidding me? But anyway, so let's see how many items we have. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 with the hat. So we got our 10 items. So what you guys think? I'm happy with the box. You know, I was a little worried having to pay shipping and everything that I wouldn't make my money back, but I think I'm going to. So I think I got lucky with this box, but we will see. But all right, guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.